In this video we will learn how to install OpenClaw on Windows 11. For that we need Node.js. So let us first install Node.js. Go to the web browser. On Google type Node.js and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here click get Node.js. So here different versions are visible for Node.js. Go below. We will install the following installer for Windows. Okay, click on it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the installer file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. Accept the terms. Click next. The destination folder is visible. Node.js will get installed here. Click next. It will also install npm, that is Node Package Manager. Click next. Tools are visible. Do you want to install the necessary tools? I'll leave it and click next. Click install. Now Node.js will get installed. We have installed Node.js. Click finish. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Type node-v and press enter. Okay, so we have installed Node.js. Close this. Now let us install OpenClaw. Go to a new tab. Here type OpenClaw and press enter. Now the official website of OpenClaw is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website openclaw.ai. And when you'll go below, it will automatically detect that you are on Windows. So the code for Windows is visible. We need to add it under PowerShell. So let us see how to open PowerShell. Go to start. Type PowerShell. Click run as administrator. So here copy the code. Right click and paste. After that press enter. Now OpenClaw will get installed. It detected the Node.js version. Now we are getting this error. We installed Node successfully with npm and we also verified. To fix this error, type this command and press enter. Okay, this will allow you to install OpenClaw using npm. This is an error related to Git. So let us install Git. For that, go to Google, type Git and press enter. Here click on the official website git-scm.com. We need to download Git, so click here, install for Windows. Here it is, click here to download. The download completed successfully. Right click and click open to begin the installation. The setup started. Click next. Git will get installed in the following location. Click next. Keep this as default and click next. Click next. Click next here. Keep this as it is and click next. Click next. Here it's written recommended. Get from the command line and also from the third-party software. So this will adjust your path environment. Click next. Choosing the SSH executable, click next. We will keep the default. Choosing HTTPS transport backend, click next. Click next, next, and this will install Git. So we quickly installed Git. Okay, so we have completed the Git setup wizard. I'll uncheck this and click finish. Okay, now let us try the same command. Let us close this. Go to start and type PowerShell again and run as administrator. Let us try the same commands again. That is the following. Click allow. Now we have installed OpenClaw. Let us minimize this. Okay, it's written OpenClaw installed successfully. I understand this is powerful and risky. Continue. Yes. Press enter. Quick start, that is the onboarding mode, is visible. I'll click quick start. Here you need to select your model. So I'll go for the free one, that is Google, and I'll just press enter. Google out method, Google API key. I'll select Google Gemini API key. Enter Gemini API key for your API key. Here type Google AI Studio and press enter. Click on this aistudio.google.com. To generate an API key, click here get API key. Okay. I'll create a new API key. Create API key. Okay, Gemini API key. Okay. Here select create project, Gemini project, create project. It is loading. Click create key. Now your key will be visible. Copy the key from here. Minimize, right click and paste. Press enter. So we are only using the free keys. The models are visible. Which one you want to go for? Okay, let's say I'll go for Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite. Press enter. Select channel. You can select any channel. Let's say I'll go for the Telegram bot. Press enter. So we successfully installed OpenClaw. But remember, for OpenClaw you need to have Node.js and Git on your system. Okay. For free generative AI tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video.